Have you ever wondered if your favorite hobby could be more than just a pastime? The answer is yes. But successfully turning a hobby into income involves several factors. First, you need to consider market demand. Are people looking for your skills or products? Next, treat your hobby like a business. This means thinking about pricing, marketing, and delivery. Lastly, choose the right platforms and systems to maximize your reach. This guide provides a step-by-step roadmap to transform your hobby into reliable income. It also includes 12 specific examples of hobbies, monetization paths, statistics, and useful resources. Let's begin with a snapshot of the market opportunity. Global platforms like Etsy and Fiverr show strong demand for handmade goods and creative services. YouTube also hosts millions of creators who successfully monetize their content. With the right execution, you, too, can tap into this lucrative creator economy. Now, here are 12 monetizable hobbies you can explore. 1. Photography. Sell stock photos or offer client shoots. You can use platforms like Shutterstock or Instagram to showcase your work. 2. Writing and AMP. Blogging. Freelance writing or blogging can lead to income through ads or paid newsletters. Websites like Fiverr and Substack are great for this. 3. Handicrafts and AMP. Making. Create and sell handmade products on platforms like Etsy. You can start small and grow your business. 4. Cooking and AMP. Baking. Starting a home bakery or cooking classes can be profitable. Use platforms like Instagram for promotion. 5. Tutoring and AMP. Teaching. Offering personal tutoring or online courses can generate significant revenue. Explore platforms like Udemy or Vedantu. 6. Gardening and AMP. Urban farming. Sell plants or kits to local markets. Use Instagram or Etsy to reach customers. 7. Gaming and AMP. Streaming. Stream on platforms like Twitch. You can earn through subscriptions and sponsorships. 8. Podcasting and AMP. Audio. Monetize your podcast with sponsorships or premium episodes. Platforms like Anchor can help you get started. 9. Illustration and AMP. Digital art. Create commissions, prints, or NFTs on sites like Behance and Etsy. 10. Woodworking and AMP. Handyman crafts. Build custom furniture or offer workshops. Local markets and Etsy are platforms to consider. 11. Music and AMP. Audio production. Teach music, sell beats, or live perform. Bandcamp and local gigs are great avenues. 12. Travel vlogging and AMP. Micro tours. Share your travel experiences on YouTube and earn through ad revenue. Choosing the right hobby to monetize is crucial. Ensure there's demand, check for scalability, and differentiate yourself. Compliance with local regulations, especially for food and exports, is also important. Next, follow this step-by-step blueprint to turn your hobby into income. Start by validating your idea. List 5 items or services and test them on platforms like Etsy or Instagram. Develop a minimal version of your offer and set up a simple marketing funnel. Remember to price for profit. After establishing your brand, you can automate and scale your operations. As you grow, formalizing your setup with a business account and proper contracts is essential. You can expect realistic timelines. In the first 0 to 3 months, aim for initial sales. As you grow, your income potential can range significantly depending on your niche and marketing efforts. However, be aware of risks. Market saturation in popular fields can make competition tough. Changes in platform policies can also affect your income. Finally, here's a starter checklist for this week. Pick a hobby and a monetization channel, create a minimum product, post on social media to gauge interest, and aim for one sale. The bottom line is, many hobbyists worldwide are successfully monetizing their passions. With proper testing, realistic expectations, and effective marketing strategies, you can do it too. So, take the plunge. Embrace your hobby, and start your journey towards earning income today.